Right, hi guys. So this video is your classic overgrown lawn. This actually is a one that I used to do regularly, and I messaged the landlord at the end of the season, just saying, "Do you want us to come back? The house is tenanted," and I didn't hear back. And I kept driving past because it's got a front garden to it as well. I kept driving past, and I thought, this hasn't been cut. I'm going to get a phone call here, and I was just kind of mulling over in my head whether I could actually fit it in, and I probably couldn't really. But it was a nice little garden, really, just the lawn. Occasionally did the trees, but they weren't bothered. It was one of them. They just wanted the lawn cut short, and yeah, so that call came, and I had a look out the back, and it was kind of well over the ankle, kind of up towards the knee. Not quite as bad as that, maybe, and. Yeah, so I ended up doing it. So when you're tasked with a lawn like this, an overgrown lawn, what I do is I trim it back first. You saw us go around the edges there. Then the longer parts in the middle are trimmed as well, just to give them more a chance, when I'm going over it. And basically go over it as many times as you think it needs it, really. So I'm using the 545 VM steel mower, which is really good. So I think I went over this 3 or 4 times. So sometimes I get asked questions when a lawn's long like this and it doesn't quite, at the end of it, it still looks a bit messy. And I tell people you've got to just keep going over it. Now, there's the old rule of don't take more than a third off, but that's when you're really like looking after a lawn and you're wanting a lush lawn. With a job like this, you've just got to get it down and then sort it out basically once it's at a manageable length. So trim first, don't trim too much, let the mower do the bulk of it. Go around the perimeter and just keep going over, knocking it down a level or a couple of levels each pass, and it's it soon gets cut. So with a job like this, you could charge, this took me about an hour, so it looks a big job on the face of it, but if you've been, gardening for a number of years and you have experiences of this type of lawn and job, then it's a simple enough job. Do you know what I mean? It's not a strenuous one. So it took us an hour. You could get, I'm in the northeast of England. I could charge anywhere between let's have a think. Anywhere between sort of 60 and 100, I say personally. Because I was going to be taking this lawn back on again, I charged 60 quid. So I definitely could have got more. So you don't need to tell us that in the comments, but I'm taking on the garden again. So £60 a charge for this. You could easily have got 100, 120 maybe even, as a one-off. Obviously, if you're down south, you could get more, but I don't have experience of that. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed that video. I hope it's useful to you. Say hello in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.